Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a really magical product. It is the Folex Instant Carpet Spot Removal, and it says it's a solution to your stain, and it truly is. It is one of the most popular products on Amazon. It has over 76,000 reviews and they're all nearly 5 stars. And the best part is this 32 fluid ounce bottle, which is about a quart, is going to set you back by only $6. That's a great deal when it comes to cleaner of any sort. As you see, it sprays clear little bubbles, but this is mostly water based, not detergent based, so you don't need to do any kind of rinsing or cleaning afterwards. Now, I have used tons of carpet cleaning product, stain removing product that works on furniture, upholstery, carpets, rugs before, and they either did not work or they left a bigger stain, kind of spread the stain all over, or they just maybe cause discoloration. So tried and tested it for years with different product, didn't work. So I ended up usually taking my at least the portable items to the dry cleaners or to professional stain removing companies or carpet cleaners, and it costs a ton of dollars. So like it's really expensive to get your carpets cleaned regularly, or even get rid of tough stains from furniture, upholstery. So overall that is a very expensive affair. So if you are somebody who is doing that or have been doing that, I think spending $6 to just even try out this product is going to be really worth it. And the process is very easy. You just need to spray the solution and the area of the stain, let it sit for a while. I usually use a little bit more than recommended so that I feel it really soaks the stain. And then you just probably use like a napkin or a cloth and try to buff the spot, and it literally just goes away. It wipes away like magic. And you can later use like a kitchen towel or a cloth to soak up the excess moisture. I haven't seen any kind of weird smell or discoloration with this product. I have actually even used this product on clothes, on curtains in my car, on the furniture, upholstery, on all kind of rugs and carpet, and it did not cause any discoloration on any of them. But this might not be the case for some of you, because certain rugs are treated with chemicals, so it might or might not react with your rug in particular. So it's advised that you actually try it on a discrete spot before you actually spraying this product all over the actual stain. And I think the stain removal process, like I said, is pretty simple. No rocket science over there, and you just let it sit until it dries off, and that's it. This is a water-based solution. I do not smell any harsh chemicals. Neither does it irritate your skin or hands, and also no rinsing or anything required. So I think it's perfectly safe for households that have kids or pets. The only downside I have seen with a couple of friends who use this is especially with pet stains. It does take away the stain, so visually you do not see the stain, but it doesn't really work with the smell that might come from like the potty or any residue that would be left. So that is a little bit of a caveat, but I haven't really experienced or tried it, so I would probably not comment on this product's usability in that area. Overall, I think this is an amazing product. It is going to save you so much money in the long run, and especially if you have a lot of items that are lighter in color, or you have a household with kids and pets. I think having this product handy is going to be such a lifesaver. Try it out. It does not have anything harsh. It is not expensive. It is really affordable, and it works like magic, and it's definitely worth the price. I have bought this product over and over again for the last 8 years, and I cannot help but recommend it to everyone. So give it a shot and let me know if you like it, and then also let me know if you don't like it, and if you know if there is a better product out there, that you would like me to try, please recommend so in the comment box, and I will definitely try it out. Thank you, and hope you enjoyed this review. Please leave a comment and let me know your opinion. Thank you.